So the world is in epic crisis now. So what can we do to protect ourselves? And better yet, what can we do to help? And a special thank you to all my patrons who, without your support, this channel would not be possible. Thank you. And if you haven't already, please think about becoming a patron and supporting the channel you love. So we are living in interesting times, and those of us with servers, we're in a unique position where we can actually help in this crisis. So first, let's see how to help ourselves, and then let's see how we can help others. So the first thing to do to make sure that we keep ourselves safe is we need to wash our hands. And so I know this is a silly thing for a computer video, but we need to wash our hands because we touch lots of stuff. Oh, and we have to make sure any surfaces that we touch very often we need to clean. And some hydrogen peroxide or some bleach would work well. Make sure you clean off hard surfaces like door handles, or iPads, or phones, something like that. With phones and tablets, it's actually hard to get them clean. You have to do it a couple times. And then finally, it works. Make sure you get your keyboard and your mouse. And don't forget your tabletop too. Finally, if you're caring for someone sick, make sure you wash the laundry right away and then clean your hands. And if you are sick, make sure you call a doctor. So once we've protected ourselves, let's take a look at how we can help others. And so a little while ago, I made a video about installing Boink. And so I will leave a link to that below. And so basically what Boink does is use our spare computer cycles to actually work on different projects. And so there is actually a Boink project which you can use. It's called Rosetta, and they've actually been active in the fight against coronavirus. They were the first people to predict the actual structure of the coronavirus. And so with Boink, you can actually put it on your home PC as well as your server or anyone you'd like. So the next project up is Folding at Home, which works great on your home PC, and you can also put it on your server. I haven't made a video about this one yet, but I will be doing that hopefully within the next week or so. And so during this time of disruption, things are going to break and computer systems are going to go down and our supply chain is going to break. And so right now, if you actually look at the Open Media Vault forums, it's down for maintenance, but it's been down for sort of extended maintenance. And so this could be due to illness or server equipment repair. I don't know exactly. But where we can go now to ask for help or to help other people, which I really suggest you do help some other people, is to the Reddit Open Media Vault, is to go to the Open Media Vault subreddit where people are asking questions and you can provide answers or ask questions yourself. So there's been a lot of interesting information coming out about the coronavirus, and I thought I'd just share with you an interesting article I found. And I will leave a link to that in the description. And so this article is on Medium. It's called Coronavirus, Why You Must Act Now. And so basically, this man uses the statistics coming out of the different countries and gives us a rough estimate of what we should be doing. And let's just say that we should all be staying at home right now. And so because we're staying at home, let's work on those servers more. If you have any other interesting things or websites to either help people with OMB or to help with the coronavirus, or actually more to help with the coronavirus, you can leave links down in the description below. You stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.